That's a Supermarine Swift Mark 7.
And where's it come from?
Well, recently it's come from Timsbury Manor,
Okay.
where it's stored, hence the leaves and everything else in it.
And you've got all components, have you?
Well, I'll show you in a minute.
Yeah.
You've got that pile there, they're all being segregated. There's more to be delivered. But if you come down this way, if you exclude the two Lycomings and the propellers, the rest of it is for that. Yeah, I'll put these lights on, it's going to be a bit dark.
And this is a couple of years away, is it?
Hopefully not. They want to get it up and running within a year.
You mentioned something about its radar capability.
Yeah, it did have a radar. I think it was called Red something or other, but I can't remember what. But at the time, the radar was installed in here, coming out through the nose cone. Yeah. And of course, you've got your cockpit here. And we do have a cockpit you can get into, earlier mark of Supermarine Swift outside.
There are not too many Swifts around at the moment.
No, there's not. But obviously we've got it because it's Supermarine and with our local connection.
Where was that being built though? Where?
These, I think, at one stage were built at Woolston. These were one of the last aircraft which were actually built and produced in the 50s at Woolston. Well, it's different in as much if you're like me, you can get in its innards.
The Attacker had straight wings and this had...
No, these are split back wings on this.
Yeah, the Attacker was the predecessor, wasn't it?
The Attacker was definitely before.
Yeah, and it had
Swift.
straight wings, not...
Yeah, that had a straight wing. As you can see, basically at the moment trying to build up, they've all got original drawings here. Like a design office.
And would they be the original drawings there?
From what I understand, these are all originals there.